In the Heart Sutra, the Essence of Wisdom Sutra, Buddha says, form is emptiness. Emptiness is form. What does this mean? It means that form and emptiness are the same nature, the same entity, the same nature. So form and the emptiness of form are the same nature. Emptiness is the real nature of phenomena. Because everything is empty of inherent existence, everything can exist. If emptiness were not the truth, nothing could exist. So, the more we think about this, we can understand emptiness is utterly indispensable for us to understand, get to familiar with. For example, talking about our body, the ultimate nature of our body